Hey, what's up guys? MCPE Master here. It's gonna be a short video today. I have finals for school. I mean, not finals, FSA for school. So I'm gonna be playing this today. I'll do just this mission. Crap. I'm gonna finish this mission and then I will end out the video. Where is it? Okay, I guess I'll just do this mission instead because I don't know where that one guy is. Crap. Let's try not to die. I think my little brother's here. Wee. Yep. Alright, well, I think that's the mission completed. Sorry for such a short video. I kind of... My aunt's down. She will be living with us temporarily until I move to Tennessee. But, I mean, I haven't got to see her that much. I only get to see her so often. So I've been trying to hang out with her. So, peace, share the video, like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you next time. Peace.